I'm going to do a quick cam follower and tension spring change out on these. If your clippers are loud, not running super smooth, this is like the first spot I always start. It's a relatively easy fix and it's pretty cheap too. I mean, I think this is your tension spring right here, and this is your cam follower, and or like $2 or $3, I believe. And like it's minimal, it's very cheap. Like, then I always say if you're going to be doing this, might as well just change the blade out too. So I got a new blade as well. So when you get right here, you get your blade off. I like to just hold my finger over that so that'll pop up. And I take the moving blade and I just kind of get under there and give it a little pry, and it'll pop right up. Usually when you're doing the tension spring too, you have to take out the lever. So I'll just hurry up and and you just slide that back a little bit and take that out, and go ahead and put that with your old one there. And then clean this out real good so you get all that hair out of there. Make it look nice and clean. And then you take your new tension spring and go ahead and put it back in there like that. Just like that. So it sits back in there like that. And then go ahead and throw your lever back on. So, all right. Now, take your new cam follower and you just snap it in there like that. And that's in there. And go ahead and get your new blade. Throw your moving blade on first. Cutting blade. Okay, and I'll take this opportunity to like quicken, get this all gapped up. Good. And just like that. Quick. Take you less than 5 minutes. And it makes it about comparable to a new clipper when you're done, you know, versus going and spending $100. You can just get like I said, a couple bucks on the new cam follower and a couple bucks on the tension spring, and I think the new blade on Amazon's like $20, and then you're basically at an equivalent of a new clipper. If you need battery or if there's a power issue, that's like a little bit more deep. I'll cover it in another video. But this one, we're just did the cam follower, tension spring, new blade. And yeah, it's a pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.